Welcome back. Today we are talking about emergency evacuation plans. Knowing how to evacuate safely can save lives. In case of any earthquake or other emergencies, let's go over the key elements of an effective evacuation plan. An emergency evacuation plan should include clear routes and exits. Make sure these are well marked and free of obstruction. Regular checks that door and exit are functioning properly. Designate assembly points where everyone should gather after evacuation. These should be at the safe distance from the building and easily accessible. Assign role and responsibilities to ensure smooth evacuation. For example, floor wardens can help guide people to exits and ensure no one left behind. Conduct regular drills to practice the plan and identify the areas for improvements. Communication during emergency is critical. Use alarm, PA system, and other methods to alert everyone quickly. Make sure everyone knows what the alarm means and what action they need to take. Especially consideration should be made for the people with disabilities. Ensure there are plan in place to assist them during the evacuation, such as having buddies assigned to help. In a summary, a well-prepared emergency evacuation plan can make all the difference in a crisis. Regularly review and practice your plan to ensure everyone knows what to do. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe and prepared.